In this short video, you'll learn how to use charts and graphs to display your data. To get started, you can choose from a variety of options like bar, line, column, donut, and more. Once you have chosen your report from the main menu, you can change the graph type. For this example, we will use the Summary Invoice Totals report. After choosing the graph icon, your data is displayed. Easy, just like that. Let's begin using a donut graph showing invoice totals. If you prefer a different graph, you can easily change to any of the options available. To illustrate, let's switch from the donut to a pie graph. You can also customize the calculation method used on the data. In this example, we start with the calculation method amount, then change it to quantity. You can see the change immediately. Simply hover over the graph areas to see related information. Finally, you may want to see the table view as well as the graph. Toggling between the two is easy. You can also export an image of your graph as a JPEG or PNG file. As always, to ensure you see your report the same way next time, be sure to save. For more tips on reporting, visit the question mark at the bottom of the page, then Quick Help for Reports. You can also talk to us by visiting us at att.com/digital training. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos in this series.